Hello all, welcome to DJ's Vault. I am Dinesh. Now I am going to unbox MT Helmet Thunder 3. Check the cinematic videos and let's get started. Let's unbox. So it comes like this, red with black color combination bag. This is how it looks. The helmet is glossy finish. Color of the helmet is punchy, black with green combination helmet. Bought from Spartan Pro Gear. The price of the helmet comes around 6600 and size of the helmet is M. There are some details given in the visor. Quick release, 2.2 mm thickness, anti-scratch visor, PC lens. So these are the descriptions which are given in the visor. The graphics of the helmet is good. Color is punchy. By the way, color of the helmet is favorable during the night rides. It will be properly visible when you ride at night time. So this is an advantage in this. It also comes with a sun visor. So using this, you can control the sun visor by pushing this and pulling this. So some details have been given in the sun visor also. Removable sun visor, one hand controlled with up and down lock post. Sun visor is UV resistant, so that is a added advantage. Let's take out the sticker and see how it is. Yes, it looks cool and gorgeous. I like this. The paint job which they have done is awesome. Quality of the shell is good. Injected thermoplastic shell. The MT logo which they have given is punchy, and here also another logo is there. You can see MT helmet Thunder 3. The name of this helmet is Board, 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 and this is DOT and ECE certified helmet. The weight of this helmet comes around 1550 grams. They have given here MT helmet and the design is mentioned some percentage in this. It looks cool, and here too they have given the descriptions of this helmet as a design in this. You can see it here. Air entrance, injected thermoplastic shell, cool air vent, aerodynamics. This is nice. I like this. And also this helmet does not come with the fog visor. you should separately buy it and fix this. Pin lock is given, so you should fix it using this pin lock. Separately, the fog visor comes around 1800, so that is a disadvantage for this price range. Personally I expected fog visor defaultly coming with this. Moving on to the air vents. This helmet totally has 3 air vents. First one is chin air vent, second one is the top air vent, and the third one is back air vent. Just swipe this to use this air vent. It applies for all. I hope that air ventilation in this helmet will be great because it has 3 air vents which is manually controllable, and this helmet has a quick release option. So using this place, you can release your helmet as quick as you want and change the visor. And the chin curtain which they have given here is good. Quality is also nice. Length of the chin curtain is also nice. So use of this chin curtain is, it will help you in noise cancellation and it will not allow the dust particles to get inside the helmet. They have given normal straps for this helmet. I expected double D-ring lock at this price range personally. This is how it looks inside the helmet. They have also given some warning things which we have to read. And about this paddings, we can totally remove it, we can wash it and we can replace it again. And this is a snug fit helmet. The beading which they have given, the quality of this is nice. The nose deflectors which they have given here is good. Quality of the nose deflector is nice. It is flexible. Overall, the helmet looks awesome. Definitely I'll be posting the review of this helmet. Thank you for watching. Hit on thumbs up, subscribe and bell icon for more videos.